Welcome to HomePantry Pro. If you are living in a tight dorm room, working in a busy office, or you are constantly on the road, you know the struggle of finding a decent, warm meal. Today, we are diving deep into the mini electric pot. This is a 500-watt portable cooking solution designed to be the ultimate companion for your small kitchen space. Let us start by talking about the build and design. It is incredibly compact, which makes it perfect for packing into a suitcase or tucking away into a crowded office cabinet. The handle design is ergonomic and comfortable, which is a big deal when you are moving it around while it is hot. One of the standout features here is how quiet it operates. Many small electric pots tend to hum or vibrate loudly, but this one is engineered to be silent, ensuring that you can cook your meal without disrupting your work or your roommates. The functionality is where this little pot really shines. It is not just for boiling water. It is a true multifunctional cooker. You can use it to stew, boil, or prepare everything from noodles and pasta to porridge, meat, and even steak. I was genuinely surprised by the versatility it offers. It handles soups and rice with ease, which makes it a fantastic all-in-one tool for someone who does not have access to a full stovetop. One feature that sets this apart from cheaper alternatives is the smart scheduling. It includes a 12-hour reservation function. This means you can prep your ingredients and set it to start cooking whenever you need it. Plus, it has an automatic heat preservation mode that kicks in for 9 hours after the cooking is done. This is a game changer for busy professionals who want their porridge or soup to be waiting for them right when they sit down for a break. Now, let us discuss the pros and cons. On the positive side, the 500-watt heating element is efficient and gets the job done quickly. The stainless steel interior is easy to clean, which is essential for a portable device. The heat dissipation holes are a smart addition, preventing the unit from overheating during longer cooking sessions. On the downside, because it is a compact unit, you are limited to single portions. If you are cooking for a group, this is not the right tool for the job. Additionally, while the controls are intuitive, the interface is simple, so do not expect advanced gourmet temperature presets. In conclusion, the mini electric pot is a highly effective, space-saving solution for anyone in need of a portable kitchen. It balances power, convenience, and smart features in a way that makes it well worth the investment for students and travelers alike. If you want to take your meal prep to the next level, this is a solid choice. Link in the description.